Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to IMAM TV. Today we are going to show how to see every password that you have been saved in your Google account. How to see all your password that you have saved in a Google account. So let's get started. Before you need to open a data like this. So where you are going to enter now is setting. Setting. You can use search bar to automatic search setting like this and press it. So after that you are going to scroll down and comes to a place where I wrote Google. Write Google and press it. Google and wait for it to open. Like this. So for that you can see this password manager. Password manager. Save and manage your passwords. Sign in on any devices. So we should continue like this. Continue. So as you can see, this is our passwords that we have been saved in a Facebook and Google. In a Facebook and Google. So you can choose anyone that you want to see like this. Facebook, you can press it. Then you must enter your fingerprint or PIN like this. After that, the thing has appeared. The username or the password for this thing will be appear like this. Will appear like this. Then you can see them and you can edit them if you want. And go back and here Google. Then here is our password that we have been saved in our Google account. So if you want to see, you will touch this icon like this. You can press it. So the password will appear. Will on hide. Will be on hide. So before we fast, we need you to subscribe to our greatest channel, Dan IMAM TV. So after that you have finished, you can edit it and you can delete it if you want. If you have changed and you did not update it, so you can change it here for the security purpose, to remember it when you come back here, to see it when you come back here. When you edit it, if you change it there in the app and you did not update it in a Google, you can come back here and edit it the way you insert it or change it there. So if that all, I can say thank you for watching. See you next time.